Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, njengoba namuhla kuyi-Human Rights Day, uCIC uJulius Malema uhambile wayeSharpeville lapho kwehla khona isigameko lapho abamhlophe khona abadubula babulala abantu abamnyama abalelwa ko-69. Ngizoyenza-ke ivideo ezobe ikhuluma nje ngalowo mlando, kodwa enkulumeni abenayo ziningi kakhulu into akhulume ngazo, kodwa nje akuvezile kwabasobala konke umuntu ukuthi bona njenge-EFF bazobasupporta uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ngesonto langomhla ka-16 kuMarch 2025, i-News 24 ibhale i-article ebeyisazisa ukuthi uMinister wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu uhambe waya ku-IPID wayovula icala mayelana nokuthi akuphenywe udaba lika-Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, kuyinsolo lezi ezithi wasebenzisa amandla akhe ukuthi anqande ukuthi kungaboshwa lo ophethe amatshijele laseqala kabusha. Sisifundile istatement esikhishwe IPID la bethi khona kuyiletha abayithumelela uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi kwaba ne-error ukuthi babhale ukuthi uMinister uSenzo Mchunu, kodwa bona bathole i-tip off from umuntu nje oyilunga lomphakathi. Kwinkulumo ke yanamuhla abekhuluma kuyo uJulius Malema ukhulumile ngoGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, kodwa ngaphambi ngicaphunele inkulumo kukhona futhi nelinye iphuzu akhulume ngalo engifisa siqale kulo bese siyake kuyileka General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ngicela uzwe la.
We are going to increase the child support grant. Even men clap hands. We don't want men who don't support their children. We cannot allow a situation where the children of South Africa grow up under single mothers. We cannot allow a situation where men who can afford are not even paying maintenance. We want to make sure that every man who can afford must pay maintenance in South Africa. That's why we are calling on the Maintenance Act to be implemented. We want all the men who can afford and are refusing to pay, even when the court has ordered them to pay. All those men must be blacklisted so that they don't qualify for any credit going forward until they support their children. Comrades, most of these young nyaupists and these criminals is because the fathers have run away. We are going to force the fathers to go back to their own children. The whole of South Africa, 42% of our homes are under women. Where are the men who have created these families? We are saying to the Department of Justice, make sure you collect that data and blacklist all those men who are refusing to pay maintenance. Fighters, we want to tell
Njengoba umuzi CIC la ethi bafuna ukupropose i-Maintenance Act ofuneka ivotele ke eParliament iphasiswe, kodwa inhloso yayo ukuthi iphoqa amadoda lawa angazondli ingane zabo kodwa ebe-afford besebenza ukuthi awazondli ingane zabo, ngoba yonke le monakalo khona ukuthi kube khona ingane ezingamaphara nalezi ezidla inyawupe, iningi lazo zikhuliswa ama-single parent. Uthi futhi South Africa yonke 42% yamakhaya aphethwe omama, ama-single mothers. Manje uthi aphi-ke amadoda okuyiwona aqale lo mndeni? Yingakho ke bethi cha, akulungiswe leso simo. Angeke sibone ne-South Africa la ayingane ezizodependa khona kwi-child support grant ukuthi makuthiwa iyakhuphuka kujabula amadoda ngoba yazi ukuthi asezokondlelwa uhulumeni, wona abalekele i-responsibility yabo. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kakho ngale proposal eshiwo uMalema ukuthi bazoyiproposa lapho ukuthi kube khona i-Maintenance Act, ba-collect i-data uma abantu bengazondli ingane zabo babe blacklisted, bengakwazi uku-access i-credit, ngoba bafuna ukuthi noma i-child support grant ikhona kodwa obaba laba bazondli ingane zabo, i-child support grant ilekelele. Eqiniswe nje lilonke i-grant, imali ye-grant igcina ingabi enough ngoba izinto ziyabiza, igcina le mali ye-child support grant ingenelanga. Ilokhu ke bengithi asiqale kukho bese singena kuleli phuzu alishoyo yena uCIC mayelana noLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ngicela uzwe lana ke. Kodwa ngaphambi ngikucaphunela ukuthi utheni ngoLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, ngiyacela subscribe kwi-channel, ulike ivideo, uphawule lapha ku-comment section below, ushare nabanye. Ungajoina ne-membership yale channel, uyi-support nje, qala from 20 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Leyo support le izoyilekelela i-channel ukuthi ikhule, kube khona la khona. Futhi ngiyacela makuvela ama-advert niwabuke phela nawo 30 seconds nje, iminute niwabuke nawo, ngoba ngokwenza njalo uyasupporta financially. Kukhona nathi abasipha khona uma nina nibuka ama-advert. Nansi ke video la bekakhuluma khona ngoMkhwanazi.
Why we support Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi of KwaZulu-Natal. We will never allow these criminals of the ANC to destroy Mkhwanazi, the police commissioner of KZN. They are doing so because Mkhwanazi is going to arrest all of them. I'm actually told that Mkhwanazi was about to arrest the Minister of Police. That's why they charged him, so that they can destabilize him on his position. We don't have to harass Mkhwanazi. We have to protect Mkhwanazi and protect every policeman who fights criminals toe for toe, like Mkhwanazi is doing. South Africa should never be a home of criminals. South Africa should be a peaceful home. Here in Sharpeville, our children must be able to walk the streets of Sharpeville without being scared of being raped. We want another Mkhwanazi in Sharpeville. We want another Mkhwanazi in the Eastern Cape, in the Western Cape, in the whole of South Africa. We need committed policemen like Mkhwanazi, and we as a nation must protect the good police because they will look after us.
Njengobuzwa ku-CIC ethi bona bazosupporta uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngoba lezi gebengu ze-ANC, ayi amazwi akhe uyosho njalo, the lezi gebengu ze-ANC zimvulela nje leli cala ku-IPD ngoba zifuna ukumphazamisa, bayabona ukuthi uzobabopha noma uyabaphazamisa. Ngakho-ke fanele njengabantu base-South Africa asupport uMkhwanazi ngoba sifuna omkhwanazi abaningi. Sifuna abantu abasebenza ngokuzinikela bekhathalela umsebenzi wabo, belwa nobugebengu njengomkhwanazi. Ngakho-ke le igebengu ze-ANC yingakho zimphazamisa. Uze uthi ukhona abamhlebelile bamtshela ukuthi umkhwanazi uphenya uminister wamaphoyisa, yingakho-ke beze bebona ukuthi no abamphazamise ngoba bayabona ukuthi uza kabi. Ilokhu kokusho CIC bengithi angishare osukwini lanamuhla nje mayelana nendaba ye-Maintenance Act abathi bazoyipropose eParliament ukuthi ayibe semthethweni. Ngiyacela kodwa ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ukuthi wena kuthini ukubona mayelana nalo daba olushiwoyo, njengoba ethi bafuna kulungisekele isimo ukuthi amakhaya njengoba manje izingane eziningi kukhulunywa ama-single parent. Yebo-ke noma kuthiwa abazali behlukene, kodwa phela umuntu akabe responsible for ingane yakhe. Okunye futhi siyazi-ke empilweni ukuthi izingane lezi ezinye kunezizathu eziningi ezenza ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi abanye obaba bagcine bengazondli ingane, ngoba omama bayakwazi ukusebenzisa ingane ukuthi balwe nobaba wayo. Kuyenzeka futhi omunye kuthiwa akayondle, kodwa makufuneka ibone kube nezinkinga. Ziningi nje izinto ezithinta lokho, kodwa uma kungahlalwa phansi kube nesu lokuthi kungalungiseka kanjani lento igcina isilungisekile. Ngiyayisupporta mina into ethi akube nendlela nesu elizokwenza ukuthi abaphoqe labo baba ukuthi bazondle izingane zabo, ngoba kubhlungu kabi ukuthi ingane ikhule isokola kodwa ubaba wayesebenza. Ibhlungu kabi lo nto leyo, ithi ingane isokole ngempela ubaba wayegqoka kahle esebenza. Anginandaba mina nesizathu, kodwa akufanelanga ingane ibe sezimpini zabazali. Fanele ubaba wengane enze okulungile enganeni yakhe. Njengoba eshilo nje athi iningi lalezi ngane ezihlala emgwaqweni zikhuliswa ama-single parent. Angazi-ke kodwa i-majority yey'ngane esengike ngazibona mina, ngisho noma ungabuka ama-podcast anjengo-Against the Wall ka-Skim GP, iningi labantu lapha ababengababulali ngempela bakhuliswa ama-single parents, obaba bebengekho. I-majority yabo angisho ukuthi laba abakhuliswe ngobaba bakwenzi nalokho bayakwenza nabo bayabazigebengu futhi nabo kodwa iningi labo basuke bekhuliswa omama bodwa obaba bengekho. Ngiyacela kuze ukuphawula kakho mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.